everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone's doing great. Very nice. Fix the camera. Oh, it's delayed, it looks like. Hey, everybody. Nice. What's going on? Doing some great trading here in the Mojo Day Trading room. Got to head on over to the team. We're at 47.25 now on TVIX, guys. 47.25. Moving up beautifully. So let me show you what we got going on right here. We're trading TVIX. I come back from lunch. Let me show you what I had for lunch. Oh my gosh, right here. This was some tuna right here, slices of tuna, and he put the flame to them, so he made it white, but the underside was completely red. And he had this awesome white sauce with these tomatoes, avocados, these crispy things right there, the little fishy eggs on top. Oh my goodness gracious me! I walked out of there. I was like flying out of there. It was unbelievable. Great place called Shingo's. Yeah, it looks like a good lunch. So right here, we nailed, as soon as I came back, we're looking for, this is my platform. So if you guys build it, I would suggest starting with a flat layout, building all the boxes and getting familiar with the layout. You could take a picture of it right there from the room. A lot of guys got on just downloaded the layout, and what you do is you save it to your desktop. I'm giving everyone my file settings and so forth. And then we nailed some TV right here. Okay. 45. I'm glad you're following other people but me. That's nice. 45.85, 45.80. Oh, looking for the Heinz at 90. So we nailed, he never rebought it. I bought TVIX at 45.90. If it was to go lower, what's my stop loss? I bought it at not risk 15 cents. It's 45.93 now. Where did it go? It went 46. It went 46.09, 46.20, 46.30. Flat, we'll rebuy it. And then we rebought it again at 45.90. Sold it at 46.09, bought it back at 83.80, sold it. And here's how you view your settings with the account summary. First impression of the TradeX and the challenge these guys are on is awesome. Index was way out of the bounds of the array, means you have a different screen resolution than mine. Try to build it yourself, as I said. So TVX is rising, guys. 16, 22, 29, some Skittles, 40, 50, 60, 70. Rento's got 100 left, 46.80 into $47. Goes 47, 47.25. MacBook left. Too bad, MacBook. Let me show you a new trader that he's like, he can't believe what's going on. He's like, dude. He's like, so the 480 I'd made in the last 30 minutes would be real? I said, you better believe it. Why was my share size 500? To protect yourself. That's all you can buy. So imagine once you get really good and your share size goes to 5,000, you would have made $4,800 right there. If your share size goes to 1,000, you'd make almost $1,000 in 30 minutes. Now, anyone could come in and do that, and that's the challenge that I'm doing with these guys. So they're proving to themselves they can run their own business. If you go to MOJO Day Trading, head on over to Mojo, click the challenge. After you click the challenge, Screens are jumping around. Right up here, you'll come to this page where you're going to challenge yourself, guys. You get 60,000 in buying power, 500 shares, exactly as you would have done if you were live. You would have made $500 in 30 minutes. Come and prove that to yourself. Do that every day. That's $10,000 for the month. You keep 100% of your profits. That's the platform. It's the same platform as you would be going live. We have a trader package where just for $1,000 you get 10,000 intraday buying power, keeping 100% of your profits. The pro trader package is $3,000. You get 30,000 intraday, keeping 100%. Your max loss for the day is 10% of your equity right there. So actually, it would be this would be 100. It's $100 a day, $300 a day, and $500 a day. So you max, so you can't trade big size and you can't risk a lot of money, but you keep on clipping and you make money on all the trades. And that's what day trading is. You know what I'm saying? It's like, why come in to the game and here's the ball and I pass it to you and now you got to shoot a 3-pointer every single time. How great is that going to be for you? Yeah, you might shoot one at the buzzer and make, and yeah, glorified, but that's 2 out of 100. The 98 that go wrong for you, you ain't gonna remember that. You're gonna remember the 2 I glorified on. That ain't working for trading, and that ain't working for basketball either, or golf, or any other high level professional kind of a stable business. So right here, you get started, guys. You become a member of the MOJO chat room. Once you become a member of the chat room, you can get onto the challenge. So the chat room is $99, and after becoming a member of that, platform fees run $150 for the month. So this covers your real-time data feed. I negotiated a lower rate for the traders. Just for $99, you get the TradeX direct market access platform loaded with 60,000 in virtual, and I will watch you trade and become your business partner and make sure you become profitable. And then you could fund your account at whatever level you want to get funded at, and you keep 100% of your profits. You pre-market and after-hours trade available. 10-to-1 intraday. Chico, these are 50 grand, 30 grand, and 10 grand. After you trade for a month or two, you can always raise that up. 47.24 on TVIX. And here's information about the platform. Hope people will join the platform and get ready. And Chico, update that page and give specific more instructions about joining the room. Thank you, sir. Chico's my HTML web guy. So let's see what's hot and what's not in today's market, shall we? This is scrolling up. Give it another second. All right. So beginning in the day right here, guys. Came in this morning with a little HEPA. First trade of the day right here, HEPA. HEPA. 9:30 in the morning. It's 9:24, 9:26, 9:30, and we're in HEPA right here. HEPA, and NVAX. NVAX. We sold at 9.94. It's now 9.27. And NVAX was a big winner. So we traded NVAX this morning, up 19 cents, down 13 and even. Here we go. Analogy. When you start playing serious golf, this is a good analogy I gave this morning. Check out. This is at like when your trading level. If you're a golfer, you're a bowler, you're some sort of high level up there. Guitar player. Okay, you really can rip. When you first started doing that, you fumbled and mumbled and jumbled. I gave an example with, let's say, guitar. Now you can go on a 15-minute rip without missing a note, but in the beginning, it was hard to do that. And car racing, going around the lap at 200 miles an hour. You can't do it now. 10 years in, 5 years into the game, you can, but when the first year or two, you'd crash and you couldn't be able to handle it and things like this. And oh, the TVIX is coming down. So there's always a level that you go to from experience. And when I started playing serious golf, I broke through a level. Let me explain. I had hit a 4-iron from the fairway. Now I hit that good 225 yards. The first few years of my golf life, every time I step up to hit that shot, I would worry if it even would go 225. I was worried I would stub it, hit it into the tree on the right. It would go 180. I'd hit it fat. And that was the story of my golf life. And that causes you to miss half the time, causes worry and stress. Then there comes to a point where you've messed up so many times hitting that and you're actually getting good at it. You're like, screw that, man. You know for a fact that there's a point I'm going to hit the 4-iron 225. My game's got up to that level. Now, it may not go straight on the green. It may go to the left or go to the right, but I'm going to hit it 225. And that's when you jump up a level. Like in bowling, I know I'm going to throw it out into the right lane and it's going to spin back and give me a strike. You know how long it took you the confidence to get up to do that sort of thing? The level of confidence, up-leveling your game. Okay, I know for a fact that I'm pulling out that 4-iron and it's going like that, guys. Before it even happens. This is the level the pro traders must get through with trading. It's a new learning board. Okay, no more sequencing. We're doing different things in the room. We're getting more masterful at our game. And we did this trade. No NVAX. And right there at NVAX, it wasn't working. So I said, you know what? Let's sell it. Let's sell it. Right here, watch. So Heinz 97, no more sequencing. Did I sell INO? Yes. NVC, he's up $600. So I'm repricing NVAX. And then I sold it for a loss. And I nailed it like mastery because it went from 706 where I sold it all the way down here to 675. Amazing. Just amazing. So it was a great fold. And that was a great save. So sometimes getting in a stock that you didn't buy that fell big is just as good as buying a stock that went up big. Okay? And that's what I got. I call great. Made a note in my journal about buying TV pre-marketed for did not buy. Well, don't really have to buy some. Sometimes you could get 46.50. Now it's 45. So you can always get a cheaper price once the market opens, guys, than trading in the pre-market. Okay? And all these guys, Calabrini, you got banned. Harbringer banned. All you guys got banned from the room. You all left. You all didn't answer me. And you're all not there. And Kev, you're the last guy left. And let's see what you got going on. Sorry, I'm busy with work. I'll answer you here this evening. I'm in or I'm out. See, I said to him so many times, what are you going to do, buddy? What are you going to do? No answering is rude. I hate when people come to the room and they just don't answer. Why come to the room on a free pass? It's like you're going to the hotel to check out the hotel and your rooms, and they're like, well, Mr. Smith, your room is ready. Oh, Mr. Smith, the room is ready. And you're like, don't answer, you're gone. They're going to give the room to somebody else, man, and move on. They know you're not a good guest. And you're probably going to stiff the bill anyway and not leave a tip and cause problems and say the room was bad and want your money back. But Alan, when he came in, he was talkative and great. And all these people, that's why they're master traders. Master traders have been with Mojo for 4 years plus. So that goes to tell you something, guys. That goes to tell you something. Let's take a look at I haven't seen Dano for a long. Let's see Dano. Let's see when Dano came in. Let's see the first message. Here we go. Dan came in 2017. It's now January of 2020. I would call him a master trader. Been winning with the system for 3 years. Traded DEF. Daniel F. And I bet he was born in 1969. I'm 3 years older than him. Okay? And that's what we got going on, guys. So we did really good. I wonder if Ross sent out the video 1 minute after I did. He usually does that. I go live and then he sends his update within the minutes because he sees I'm going live. Nice, 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 and nice. Oh, dudes. We got to check out the swings now and see how we're doing on the swings. Let's check out the swings, shall we? Whoops. Move the page over. Alrighty. I blew it up 125%. So you could see. Let's go through the picks. So I have the symbols right there. I don't need the names because I want to see where they're all at. All right, let's check it out. Dow's up 57.27. S&P is up 5.6. High for the day is 28,944. Low 28,728. High for the year 29,373 and 24,504 for the low on the Dow. The S&P ultimate high was 33,337. It went under 3,300. It's at 32.93. Last price 32.81. Nasdaq sits at 92.97 with a 9,400 high. So obviously we've made a high and we've come down right there on them indexes. So does the 5,000 level, what's my daily share limit? 1,000 shares. At 2,000 max. So you can only hold 2 positions at one time. That's it. Do that for a month and then the training wheels come off. Absolutely. Yeah. Happen near Heinz, yeah. All right. That's nice. All right, I'm doing my show, Gene. Great. Good job. I'm doing my show. You got to stop with the messages, okay? Appreciate it. No more messages because I'm doing my show. And I think it's an emergency, and then I got to click to it to make sure it's not a trading emergency. Thanks. So right here we have stocks that we're in for. Oh my gosh, my first time ever. Look, holy shizzle dizzle. Gevo's up a penny, guys. Gevo's up a penny, man. I can't believe I'm still down 14%. But look, it's freaking up a penny, dude. It actually hit 207. Yee-hoo! GoPro's 365 cost, last 415, down 7% today. Ugh. Stop 425. Guess what? We're out of GoPro. So GoPro right down here, guys. Date January 29th, 425. That's a 16.44% gain. And it was held since 10/6, October, November, December, January, 3 months, 4 months, 115 days. There you go. That's a long hold, man. I ain't riding it down. All these stocks last month hit their trail stops. Look. Trail stop, trail stop, trail stop. Everyone hit the trail stops because the market's correcting. Look at the next one. So GoPro's gone. Gene is down. All three of these are down. They were all up yesterday. All three are down. The first one is DPW. It's 154. It held the 150 stop. Was still good. AGRX at 385. Held the stop at 350. UV, we have the covered calls. We're good. 31%, 35% covered on that. Jax is 109. I ain't going to sell it even if it gets to $1. Own it at 90. Krone got the covered calls, the $9 strike. It's at 750. These will expire worthless. We'll collect another 50 cents. Krone's cost is 635. Emerson Radio does nothing. It went to 90 cents today, so maybe one day it'll do something. APVO, 64 stop, 62, $1.39 and $1.35 on 10X. They're all holding. GBTC is 1091 now. Adding more on that, adding more on GBTC. And VISL, VISL, was up to like 39 yesterday. Is at 36 today, 34. And those are the current swing actions that we have with LEDS, which is holding up right here at 206. MTC was up earlier. I thought it was 220. And Pole is even. And that's what we got for the swings. I had to do a nice little recap because I sent out the video to my swing guys and they're watching. And Randy and Joan, you came into the room and you said, what about Disney? I want to be a new member. This is my first time here, and I had to delete your message. So if you're watching on Twitter or YouTube, you were mistaken. Let's go to your messages and we'll correct that, because first time you actually came here to the room was on December 13th of 2019. And I spoke to you and I sent you that video. Then I sent you all these picks. Adel from $1.55 to $2.30. Adel again to $2.50. What do you think? You never really answer me. You know what I'm saying? You never really answer me. Then I told you about the Heinz, and you're like, oh, interesting. Then I gave you all these picks right here and the trade this, and and you just really don't answer, man. So, and then you come in the room and ask about Disney, and you're typing right now. So I think it's kind of rude. I would never do that at the hotel. It's like the Sheraton or the Holidays Inn. It's not like that, bro. This is the Four Seasons and the Ritz-Carlton, man. Allen has, these guys pay a lot of money and have been for years for their room and their seat here at the master table, man. This is what you want to become right here. Absolutely. 46.80 on TV. Let's see what we got going into the end of the day at 340. Let's go down the list. Apple, 360. I'd short this Apple right here, guys. right here. Short that apple. 326.30 with a risk of 10. Goes under. That's a 30 cent on the down. There's $1 to make with a risk of 20. 5-to-1 risk reward on an apple short. Maybe we'll win today. 326.35. We risk a 12 cents. A cover at mini. Add at stopping station. And then add again at stopping station for a 326 reverse Hines on Apple. That's the play, guys. I like that going into the close. Holy crap, Mojo's on the money. 325.80. Holy moly. I called the biggest drop of the day live just like that. One stock. Thank you very much. 325.75 Mojos. Dude, that was badass. Dude. Wow. I said, wow, it's going lower. Short it again. 326.10. Short it again. Short again. I said, wow. Got it. 320. Short it again. Nice. God, nice. Oh, I was on the mute, guys. I thought I had you in the room. But I was live on TV land. Shorted again right here, 326.20, man. We had a beautiful short right there on that apple at 326.35. Risking 13, 12, cover at mini, add at stopping station for a 326 reverse Hines. Boom, that baby. By the time I was done dumping, that thing dumped like a chump down to 325.80. And now Randy and Joan, couple Randy, you and your honey miss it. I'll give you both of it. Take a shot, man. I give it both to you. You come on in. Short it here again, guys. Now, 326.35. Nail it. Freaking nail it, dude. Absolutely. Absolutely. Go ahead. Beautiful. Great trading. See what I got right here. You don't want the swing newsletter. You're a small guy, dude. You want the chat room only. You don't need the swing yet. Make yourself 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, Randy and Joan. Then I'll hook you up with the shizzle dizzle. But right now, just give you that discount for the Mojo chat room, baby. You know what I'm saying? Dude, add here. Don't cover. Add a little bit more. 326, wherever it is, 45. Take it up for another 3 cents or 4 cents. That's fine. There you go. Dump-a-runo. Right back down, 326.18. Told you. Don't get scared at 45. It's 18 now. Now it's 326.05. Look at that thing. Volatile dumping on freaking Apple. Love it. Under 326. Cover here, boys. Cover here. 326.02 and more underneath. As I sign up Randy and Joan. Cheers, guys. Cheers on the great trading. Who doesn't love trading Apple, man? Kidding me? Mojo's giving you 50-cent winners on Apple, dude. If you're an options trader, come on, dude. You could be trading Apple on the puts right now, making kashish. Here it goes, 325.96. Cover it up. Beautiful. We'll do it up again, 326.30 and 40. Till she dumps the box. Love it. You like that system, huh, Key? Beautiful. Told you. Told you so. Jam, baby. This guy's on. He's the told you so guy right there. Fucking right on the money. Pressing the buttons like a banshee. Not in many stocks, boys. I'm not in TV. Not ripping on that. Just shorting the freaking Apple, man. Look at that, baby. Dump. 325.90. Beautiful. Cover it up. Shorter up again. 326.20. I said, wow, that first time. I love a half a wow right now. There you go, baby. Told you wow works. All you need is the wow. All you need is the kinds. Kinds and the wow. 325.70. Here she comes. Coming down, dumping at stopping station. Right there at stopper. Bing! Ching, 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 ching. 15 minutes to the close, baby. What do we got going on? What is that? $325.70, boys. Hold some little left like this guy. Don't be dead yet. Oosh. Oosh. It's dying. Apple's dying, boys. Apple's dying. 325.51 stopping station, boys. 325.51 stopping station. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Mojo came in on the short right there. Still in right there, boys, in a reverse rail grind as long as it stays under 20 on the STO. 20 on the STO, guys. 20. 325.11. 325.11 live. Under 320. 324.85. Cover up again. Cover her up. Beauty trade. I'm beautiful. 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 That's how you make money. That's how you make money, baby. Paid your subscription already, Randy. You didn't even join yet. Look at you. Apple trying very small for the first time at 320. What does that mean? I don't know what that means, baby. I told you to short that sucker up at 326.20 and short it, baby. Now it's clopping like a chopper. Chopper. What we got? TV, did it move? Yeah, TV moved too a little bit through Heinz, boys. TV moved a little bit too through Heinz. Gotta love it. Great day of trading, homies. Thank you, boys. JB got anything new today? What you got, JB? Yeah, cardboard surf, and subscribe to my channel, Swim with the Shark. Then don't get eaten by the shark, boys. JB will show you. Show him, JB. Little ollie higher. Nah, let's do a good riding in your work boots, kid. Nah. Had a nose press? Yeah, let's do that. Man, I didn't really get that box. The box was not wet. Get the box wet, JB. Make sure you get that box wet, kid. Don't want to get on there with no wet box, without a wet box, kid. Do the nose press on the wet box, kid. Woohoo! That looks pretty damn sick. A couple things that can help with nose press is you got to be freaking out of your mind. You got to have ridden that to a different level. You have to nose press and land on your ass and nose 10 times before you bring it up to a new level and say, damn, I'm going to go for it. I'm not falling on my nose and busting my ass. I'm going to nose press like freaking JB after you do it for freaking a year. That's really necessary, or having a board with a lot of rocker. This is a wishbone that has a ton of rocker. It does make the board a bit slower, but since there's... Dudes, if you don't know what a rocker is, don't try it. So much rocker, it really helps to getting up the nose or tail instead of... doesn't allow as much. Rail, I try and only have one hand on the handle, and I try to stay that way throughout the entire trick. I try to avoid grabbing on the handle with my back hand as it tends to make your board turn one direction. Yeah, so having that front hand out in front of you only will really keep you straight in line all the way through. Also, sweet! Perfectly aligned in front of your body. Try and really just hop and land perfectly on the nose and have your body weight forward and over that nose all Sweet!
Definitely getting your weight as board as.
Dude, that's sweet, man. Dude, I'll show you how to trade. You could show me how to wakeboard, baby. But until then, let's go make the rest of the team money. I got my own crew right here called the MOJO team. Show them, team. Show them what we got, team. 324.90 on that Apple short. Champions, man. Yes, Gene, the $800 that you made would have been real if you would have been live on the platform. I just read your mind. Yes, Gene. That's correct, buddy. Yep. Yep. The 800 would have been real. Yep. 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 324.70, new low. How low can the apple go? Low, low, low can the apple go? 324.70, 324.65, 324.60. How low can the apple go? How low can the apple go? Any thoughts on the QQQ puts? Yeah, after you freaking join, I'll give you all the freaking thoughts in the world, dude. But until then, you're wasting my time, wasting my energy, and my concentration. You moved to level 1 in the room too. God damn you. So you need thoughts on QQQ and Disney now. Disney, you need both. So I got 2 for you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Rad, $11.99, Heinz and 12 at the close. We'll pass on it till tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day in the Pro Trader boot camp. Better ask somebody about the boot camp. See, ouch, ouch, I got the calls. 'Cause I got no balls. 'Cause I can't press the button to buy the membership to the room. 'Cause I'm stuck in some shit that ain't legit. Popping in the quit with the Mojo Rip. Chimp champ with the right aid. 15.2 on the ask, 11.99 on the bid. J-Nug 75.46, liked it this morning to go through 72. 75. J-Nug bouncing like Nike. Little swoosh, little douche, bouncing. The next bounce coming from my weeds, planting the seeds right here on the weeds. Little bit of loving, little bit of smoking, making them weeds be popping. Little green, little green, little green. There we go, there we go, there we go. You can't double click because you're trying to click on the picture right there, Randy. If you click on buy now, it won't work. You got to click on the link. This is just a picture. Click on the link. for subscription. That's why you can't double click, 'cause it's just a picture. Rad Hines. 1205. Rad Hines. 1205. Crone. Moving. That's what we got going on. 4 minutes to the close. Thank you for spending the close and the time with the Moj. Charles Schwab, I used all my day trades. You missed a lot of good trades because you're not on the TradeX platform with the system. You're trading at Charles Schwab. You're not in the room doing the challenge on this platform, planting the seeds like Mojo does. You don't do none of that stuff, dude. So do I feel bad for you? No, Charles Schwab. You come on the feed all the time and all you do is say, I wish, I miss. Because I gotta go piss. That's even tough for you too, brother. Damn, I wish I had the Mojo 4 years ago. I would have been retired from the job. Maybe. Or this would be your full-time job. You never retire. You just change the cycle. Once you change the cycle, then change your life and your job. Hello, Pome. Hubba. 3 minutes to the close, boys. 3 minutes to the close. Let's see what Apple's doing. 324.30, a new low for my boys on Apple. Who's got the apple? Who's got the apple, guys, still? Who's got that worm in that apple? Look at that nasty worm. Who's got that nasty worm in that apple right there? Radhein's beautifully for you guys. I gave it to you nice. You're out? Okay. As long as you made money. Shorten the worm. There's the worm. Mojo picked the worm. STO's at 12.8. As long as it stays under 20. Reverse Hines on the STO. We're in rail grind, baby. Great show today. Thank you, Mr. Key. Champ. Gonna bounce, cover, end of the day. TV, 48, homies. 48, 47, 79. We're long the TV, short the apple. Ooh. Trader review? No, not today. Another day. Getting ready to close the race, boys. Getting ready to close the race. Last minute. Closing her up in the last minute, boys. Closing her up in the last minute, boys. Look at that, Holmes. My boy could show me that P&L. Open that vault, bro. Let me see what Key did. Key, 113, biatch. Damn you, kid. That's on $1,000 account, dude. That's 10% for the day. That's a run rate of 200% for the month. You're a beast, dude. Wow. Here we go. Closing bell, boys. Closing bell, boys. Thank you very much. And there you go, the close of the market. So guys, super duper end of the day trading. Accept the challenge, man, above. MOJO Day Trading Challenge. You'll be in the room. You'll be trading the same stocks that I am. You'll be like, damn, I don't got to be all over the place. Screw the small caps. They're manipulated. They're harder to trade. Once they go the wrong way, they barely come back ever to get me out. If I'm wrong in one of these ETFs, you got a good chance. And then, dude, big deal. You suck it up. You reprice it. You trade it again. Look what would have happened here. Big deal. Look at the range on this baby. It's Superman, dude. Triangle City. Look at that. But ultimately made the whole box, baby. Gotta love it. So guys, pace, keep it profitable, and I'll see you on tomorrow's show. We'll do some more trading. Follow that Bitcoin. I tell you, if you ain't in the Bitcoin, you're missing the boat. Follow and get in the Bitcoin. I got to do a quick quote in the room. Put a coin. Coin was 93.25. Coin right now 93.73. Tomorrow 10,675. You heard it here first. 10,675. 1,300 point move. You gonna be in? You gonna be in on that move? Gonna be in? Then what I'm looking for the next day is this. 11,000. Once it touches 11,001, the next day it's gonna be up 3,300 points. Gonna put it at 14. The next day, it's gonna go test the high at 19.7K. And then it'll go over 20K. Yes. Yes. Well, yes. That's what I say on the crypto. How do you get points? You don't get points. You join. Then you get your questions all taken care of. There are no points. You moved up a level and I got you out of the room. Ha 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 ha. Nice key. 113. Super job. All right, guys. Peace. Later. Thumbs up for me.